Hello and welcome to the channel. Jamie here from JP Cars, and today we're going to be looking at my S4 because like most people, when you kind of get a car a bit like this, you want to keep up the full Audi service history, and when you go and do a service with Audi, they'll then do a free health check and they'll give you a list of everything that they want you to kind of get done. Anything they go, oh, that needs a bit of attention. So I looked at this list that they sent me through before I picked the car up, and yeah, there was no way I was paying the money that they were asking to do these jobs. So we're going to do them myself and see how much money we can actually save on that list. So the first job is going to be these, and as you can probably work out, these are going to be the window wipers. All the window wipers are bad, supposedly. That's what Audi is saying. So I bought this kit here from a company called, let me have a look, Wiper Blades Limited. Very original. That will go in the bin, that's not littering. So these are the ones that I went for. I went for the Bosch Aero Twin A298S and the Bosch rear for the A360H, and they should be the ones that fit on the S4. Now it's not as simple as just taking these up, because you can't get them up because of the bonnet. It's just kind of hidden away under there. So you've got to go into the car, go into the MMI and do it from there. So the first thing you do is come in and switch your ignition on, and it shows you this screen. Click menu, and then you have to go to, well, I can find it, all the way up to the top, car. Then it shows you the Audi Drive Select. You knock across to the left and then you get this little menu here, and you go down to servicing and checks. And you go down and then you go wiper change position. And as soon as you click this, the wipers go into the position they need to be changed. Press these little bits in the middle here of the blade, just press those in and it should come straight up and out. Nice and easy. I'll put that there so it doesn't scratch the screen. Right, that is the longer one, which is 24 inch. They were cheap enough, it was £37 for all three, so you're looking at about £12 each. Straight back in like that. And same with the other one, click that in, pull it out. Yeah. Fold it back up so you don't scratch your car, and then that just goes in there. Really, really easy, guys. There you go. 2 new wipers for the front. Audi wanted to charge me an extra £37 to change the wipers. An extra £37. So these cost me around 37. Audi then quoted me X amount, and the difference was about £37. So they must have quoted me about 74 quid, which means that they were going to charge me £12 each to change. For doing that, guys, save yourself some money. So this is the one for the rear. This is the Bosch A360H, a 15-inch blade. There you go. So that one there just pops out because it's on this little thing here. You just pull it out and it pops out. That one was pretty knackered. That one's been making loads of noise for a long time. It just screeches, and then that just pops straight in. Perfect. And while we're on the rear, Audi said that the thing that shoots the water out wasn't working on this, and I tested it and they're right, it's not working, which I didn't realise. So they were going to charge me £12 to get this sorted. I've got a feeling this is all they would have done. That one there, just give it a little poke with a needle, and then that one. I reckon this is all they would have done. So let's see if that worked. It worked. Just. Okay, it's not doing it anymore. Well, that is obviously something I've got to have a look into, because I could do with that working. And of course, before I forget to do it, I need to go back into the Drive Select, go down to the servicing and checks, and then take the wiper change position off. That's all the wipers, all three of them, changed. And it saved me £37 from Audi. So it's a no-brainer. You might as well just do it yourself, guys, if you can do it. Obviously, the rear wiper, the actual sprayer, isn't working properly, so I need to look into that. I don't know if, like, oh no, my missus is going to kill me. Got dirt on my new jeans. All the way down me. Well, this looks like this might going to be my last video, because she's literally going to kill me. I literally got these like a week ago. So there you go, there's the end of the video. The wipers are all done, nice and easy. Save yourself some money from Audi. Please do hit the like button if it helped out. Please do comment below if you succeed in doing it. It's a nice and easy job. I'll also leave in the description box all of the parts that you'll need for that. And please do subscribe to the channel if you want more S4 content and any other content on any of the other cars that I play about with. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.